Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Windows 10 photo app is crashing and you're coming across a file system error -214721996. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best result, you go back with Troubleshoot Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel here, and then scroll down troubleshoot problems that may prevent Windows Store apps from working properly, and select Run the Troubleshooter. Okay, so once that's done, you can select Next. I recommend following along with any of the on-screen suggestions here. And then you can click on Close. Go ahead and restart your computer and see if that resolves the problem. Something else you can try here too, if you were to open up the Start menu, type in Photos. Best match to go back with Photos over here. On the right panel, select App Settings. And if you scroll down, there's an option to reset. If the app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. I would very strongly suggest that you heed that message here and make a backup of your photos, save it somewhere else before you do this, because once you clear it, you see it says the app's data will be deleted. If you do have the photos saved in a secure location, you should be okay. But I'm just saying that when you're deleting app data here, you really don't want to have it all in one place. It's probably going to be a bad idea. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and reset. And again, this will permanently delete the apps data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select Reset. Okay, so once you're done here, close out of here. Would suggest restarting your computer, and then hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.